Hi, this is Dr. Jonathan Yousef, Networking for Your Optimal Health. The goal of this podcast is to optimize your health. To achieve this goal, I'm going to discuss the most common medical concerns that I find in my practice. The objective is to take the top 5 medical issues that my patients complain of, and I will create a podcast for each one of them, providing just a little more information during their office visit. The series is intended to supplement a regular office visit for my patients or for any listeners, and to get a little bit more insight into their medical health. Hey, this is going to be in the comfort of your own home or car. Without further ado, I will begin the show. Hi, it's Dr. Jonathan Yousef, and this is Networking for Your Optimal Health. My goal today is to talk about something very important to me, which is the patient-doctor relationship. Unfortunately, there's too many people who are out there trying to get involved in the patient-doctor relationship. And my first concern is to the patients. And my first recommendation is that we consider why the patient is coming to the office. So I have a lot of people who are trying to get involved in what I want to do in the office. They want me to ask them questions about screening questions about depression, anxiety. They want me to screen them for mammograms and pap smears, and they want me to screen them for colon cancer. So while I do appreciate all the help out there trying to get involved in the patient-doctor relationship, here's what I would want to do. When a patient asks me to focus on a condition that they're coming in for, whether it's pain, whether it's a psychological or emotional problem, or if it is regarding a medical condition that's simply not being addressed by other physicians, I want to focus on that. I don't want to spend time wasted trying to figure out what they're covered for, what they're not covered for. And I don't want anyone knowing what this patient's coming in for, because it's very personal. So I ask that everybody consider this when they are voting, as well as when they want to write something to the legislation congressman, or if they just want to talk to us about how to preserve the patient-doctor relationship. We do have other means in which we can do this, and this is something that is protected, and you have rights as well. So appreciate you guys listening. This is Dr. Jonathan Yousef, and Networking for Your Optimal Health.